Good morning. We got a long list of things to do today, starting with repairing these chicken tractors. So let's get right to it. They've been sitting upside down in the field now all winter. So they do have some breaks, I know, from last year. So we'll go through and repair them one at a time. We do have quite a few breaks in them, and what I usually do is I slide a piece of wood in and screw it in to kind of splice it. These have been spliced quite a few times. They've spent the winter laying upside down. We put them that way so that the snow doesn't collapse the roof in and break all the cross pieces. This one actually doesn't seem to have too much damage. There's only two pieces of wood that seem to be broken, but I'll know better when I flip it over. Now I'll see if I can roll this thing over without dropping it on myself. It's a little cumbersome for one guy to do. I guess here's the true test on whether or not it's sturdy. And here it goes. Well, that actually wasn't too bad at all. We get quite a lot of wind across this field, so we always make sure we have the tops all strapped down, and on really windy days we make sure it's facing with the closed part of the chicken tractor into the wind. I've got this one rigged up with a rope and a bungee. The new one I built, I've got a ratchet strap system on top of it, which it works a lot better, but we're still using the bungee and the rope on this one. Just see if I can get the field tidied up a little bit, get this moved around, kind of where it's going to be sitting. We've got meat birds coming next week. Of course, they'll spend probably 3 or 4 weeks in the brooder, and hopefully by then the grass has started to grow and we can really get them out here safely without losing too many because of the cold. This is the new one that I built last summer. Let's see how this fared. Looks like the top's in good shape. I don't see anything broken on this one, so that's good. I built this a lot heavier than I have in the past. It's heavy and hard to move, but it's rugged and holds up. Looks like I just need to flip this one over. This one here, on the other hand, took a tumble last year in the wind. The wind picked it right up and threw it, so this one's got quite a few broken pieces. Broken cross pieces, broken braces. This one's going to be a little bit of time to fix. This first one that I worked on just had a couple broken pieces, so that was pretty easy. I flipped it over. It's all pretty much set up and ready to go. We just got to move it to where it needs to be to start the year. This one's a lot heavier, but I got it, and it's built rugged, so it's not going to fall apart when it comes down. You just get the top on this one. This one's pretty much ready to go. I've got one little screw that pulled out of the top that I'll get put back in, and just get the top strap back down, and this one will be ready to go. I've got them all flipped back over and kind of cobbed up. Sometimes our job kind of feels like a cob job more than anything, but they're all up and flipped over and functional. Got a little bit of wire repair to do on some of them, but they are essentially ready to go for the season. Now we're heading over into the greenhouse. We just got one of our biggest plant deliveries. We've got more coming tomorrow, and over the next couple of weeks we'll be getting a lot more. But we've got to get these boxes all unpacked and set up. A lot of our flower plants come as what they call plugs, which is a rooted cutting, which is what you'll see us unpacking here. We have a few different organic things that we dip these plants in. Botanigard is the big one. It just helps protect against insects, bad insects. They are organic. From what I understand, it's like some sort of organic fungus that attacks the bug and kills it. So we've had pretty good luck with that in the past. If we dip them as soon as they come in, it's a little tedious getting it all set up. We've got to mix it up and dip them in this tub and then let them dry before we can plant them. Now we're on to actually planting them. They've dried for a while. Starting with a few 4-inch pots, but our main focus today is hanging baskets. We have to have hanging baskets ready for Mother's Day weekend, which is a really big weekend for us as far as greenhouse sales go. These plants will be really big and bushy by then. How full do you want these? Level? Okay. ProMix is always a little bit hydrophobic, which means it doesn't want to take water, so we water them several times. She adds a few slow release fertilizers to the top too, which help the plants get a good boost and keeps them growing through the summer. Now we've just got to hang these baskets, and that's going to do it for today. It's getting quite late in the day and we're both pretty tired. So thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and of course consider subscribing. Have a great day and we'll see you on the next video.